Hey video editors! Tired of software that locks your projects behind expensive paywalls or crashes under heavy files? Today, we are deploying a fully loaded, beastly Kdenlive environment entirely free. Let's unlock your creative independence right now. Let's hit the ground running by grabbing the deployment archive from our portal. Once opened, the smart routine kicks in automatically, pulling down the advanced rendering modules and project presets directly onto your machine. The baseline structure is locked in. Now, let the active configuration wizard finish mapping out the background multimedia codecs and keyframe effects libraries. It's an incredibly fast step that wraps up in a literal blink. Let's load up the workspace for the very first time. We're opening a fresh test project just to ensure the multi-track timeline, audio mixer, and preview monitor respond instantly without any lag. The entire editing ecosystem is perfectly calibrated, verified, and completely watermark-free. Head over to our webpage right now to secure the installation files and start cutting your footage like an absolute pro.